great, but then you got to iron it, you got to steam it. It's just like that fabric that's kind of, it got a lot of maintenance to it. So that's why I just kind of stay away from it. And banjo, I don't know why, but Karen, okay, so this would be good for you. Banjo, cause especially now, I like Georgia Expo carried in all colors. I like all colors, but it's not something you would incorporate into the theatrical backdrops that we're going to do today. However, kids parties, banjo is perfect. For one, it's cheap. For two, the colors are very vibrant, and it gives you that feel. It will pair with a kids party perfectly. It come in all colors, but only thing with banjo, it doesn't swag. But if you're doing the vinyl and you just need pops of color, banjo is perfect for that. But the other textures and things that we're going to be using today, you know, I love sequin. It's two different types of sequin. You got your high end, your lower end, and it's funny, but I prefer the lower end. For one, saves coins, and for two, it swags a lot better because it's not super thick. But so we'll be using that today. I use a lot of stretch. I use spandex. I love it. Why? Because I'm lazy. I don't like folding. I don't like ironing. I don't like steaming. I don't like doing all this. Too much work. And this is the reason why you guys see me using what I use. Because we just drop, gone. When I was doing the shear and all, how many hours will we be sitting there folding that? We've been sitting there for a very long time. So that's why I kind of tend to, because who was talking about quicker breakdown, quicker setup? Be wise in what you're using. And a lot of things that I use, that's why I got into these. It's easy. We can go ahead and break down something in 15 minutes. Shoom, 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 shoom. Fold my fabric up, drop, I'm out. If it was something else, we'd be there for hours because you have to fold it. Otherwise, if you just do it in the bin, when you get home, you got 1,000 wrinkles. So cut down on time by choosing your products and your fabric wiser. I am Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, and I teach event creatives such as yourself how to attract higher paying clients through premium draping. So if you are new to the platform, I want to know your biggest draping question. So post it in the comments below, and guess what? I may have a solution specifically for you.